happy because I finally got delivery of my Grizzly bandsaw. That is the one piece of the puzzle that's been missing in the shop for me. It's stopped me from doing certain things or made things harder to do, as you'll see in some of the videos that I have online right now. But I'm excited. Here it is right here. Here it is. You've got the stand, the bandsaw, and I also ordered, since I do a lot of resawing, or I have a tendency to get lumber that's twisted or cupped. I bought a resaw blade as well, so maybe I can cut that down and save time on my planer. So I hope to be doing a lot with this bandsaw. I hope to be sharing a lot with you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more projects with the bandsaw. If you like what you see, please click on the like button below, and please subscribe and follow me on my journey. I also have a blog which I'll post on underneath this video. Thanks for watching again.